I'm Brinda Menon. I live in Mumbai. Art has always been very close to my heart. I've always been passionate about it, but never got to learn it professionally. And somewhere around mid last year, I just happened to see this ad of Catterfly on Facebook. And I got in touch with Amit and Shilpa, and they really helped me out. They made me, they took me through how Catterfly works and how the workshops are held. So I started off my journey with Madhubani. That's how I started off, and I enjoyed this session thoroughly. It was really fantastic. The greatest advantage of learning the different art forms from the native artists, I would say, is the kind of information that you get from them, to one, about the culture, about the art form itself, and the small nitty-gritties which you would never find it on Google. Only they will be able to tell you, and it is told so in such a simple manner. It is easy for you to understand and put it in your own form, down in paper. And language has never been an issue because the moderators have been fantastic. The way they explain, it's either translated in English or Hindi, so that you don't have a problem, understanding the language. So, people from different parts of the world and parts of India can actually learn the art form sitting at home. And language is never a barrier in that, really. So I would say that, it's a great thing. It's a whole package where you get everything under one place. So if you look at it, the difficult ones would be like a Patachitra or a Kerala mural, wherein, in Patachitra, mostly, I think, Bhaskarji has been helping us how to draw the figures and the intricate work that is there and how you finish it. And, when you see the end product of your work, you tend to think whether it is actually you who have done it, kind of. It gives you a great satisfaction. At least I feel that. And like for Kerala mural, you need a lot of patience. And Saju has been the artist. He has been wonderful the way he teaches, and he's so patient with, and he teaches so well, the color, the mixing. And this is the authentic way, because I had seen a lot of Kerala mural online, on YouTube and stuff, but that is not the way it is actually done. And the color and the mixing of the color, the number of layers that you need for a Kerala mural. And it's great that sitting at home you're able to learn. That is one art which I always wanted to learn. And earlier, like, I would have to go to Guruvayur and be there for few days or maybe a month or so to learn the art. Here sitting at home, I've got the chance and an opportunity to learn the art form, and I am really so happy that I could learn it, and really thankful to Catterfly and the team. And also to say that the moderators are fantastic, the way they explain and they help you out in case you have a doubt. So if you have a problem with the language, they help you out. If the artist is not able to communicate, they help you out learning the art form. They help you out, either it's in English or in translated in English or Hindi, and you won't have a problem, and it's taught so well. So you really won't have a problem understanding it, and that should not be a reason for you to not join. Since there are so many art forms, the only thing I found a little difficult was keeping in pace with finishing off the art form. And for me, like, I don't like to rush through my art form. I would like to take my pace and do it. So that's the only drawback that I find, and I can't resist myself. I want to learn everything. So I want to learn everything, and then I'm not getting the time to finish it. But I'm sure I'll find a way how to do it. Since I started, there is no looking backward. It's always been moving forward, and have really enjoyed learning the different art forms. And they're always there to help. You have any doubts, if you're not able to attend the live sessions, you get a recorded version of it. And if you have doubts in that, they do clear everything. Either it's on the Google Classroom or on the WhatsApp group. And you don't feel that you're lost when you're learning the art form. And this is what I would say, like the high is like learning different art forms on one platform. So my suggestion for the new art lovers who want to join the workshop, I would say that give your 100% when you join in, and don't worry about anything. You'll really enjoy it. It is fantastic the way it is curated, and the way each week after week, month after month, they come up with such new themes. You will never be able to resist. Okay, and when you give your 100%, it shows in your work, and I'm 100% sure that you will enjoy each and every artwork that you do with them.